If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
Let's get it. Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Niggas says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the budget now. Riding in the phantom with 100 rounds. Heard these niggas talking, I can't come around. Lambo in the trenches, that's him coming down. Pop up in your city like I tell.
302 gang, we back with another one, boy. It's your boy 302, man. I know it's been a long time, but Happy New Year, y'all. We back with another video. As you can see, we out and we active in the boss at the gas station. We about to hit Summit Racing because I got to pick up a few things, but let's go, baby. Make sure you like, leave a comment. We got a little action pulling up on us on the left side, man. I think it's the Z06. I don't know, but I ain't got no radios anyway, so it's not like I can race them if I wanted to. Oh, it is a Z06. Check him out. Oh, he lucky. Hey, that boy lucky. Don't worry. Hey, don't worry. Hey, look, don't worry about it. I'm getting right. I'm trying to tell y'all boys, I'm about to get right. I'm tired of saying people lucky and da-da-da-da-da. I'm going to get right. Yeah, but 302 gang, man, I know it's been a while, man. I ain't posted in a while. I ain't really been in the spirit of posting nothing like that, but I'm glad to see y'all, man. Glad that, you know, I'm back making videos. And, you know, sometimes you get out of it. You don't really be in the spirit of making videos and nothing like that. But yeah, man, I'm going to Summit. You know, I was supposed to been picking up a boost controller a long time ago for this car. Like, my old boost controller went out, and I haven't been able to get another one. But today, I finally was like, you know what? I'm going to get another one. So y'all stick with me, man. We just in the boss riding, man, about to hit Summit Racing. Hopefully it ain't too much traffic, man, because I don't feel like being in all this traffic like that. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Check it out, gang. Nice little C7 ZR1 right here, man. Look at that. It looks beautiful, man. I love the blue right there. Sorry about my windshield dirty. You can't really see it. But nice little blue C7 Z06 right there. It looks crazy, man. Like, sound good too on the highway when he had pulled past me. But yeah, on the Summit we go. This is a beautiful world of Summit, man. This has been on many of my videos, but you know, it's always good to show the world that Georgia got a Summit Racing in it. It's like Toys R Us for cars, I think. This is what we coming up here to pick up right here. One of these. Mine went out, as you know. I don't know if you realize it in my videos, you haven't really seen it, but I need another one if I plan on making boosts. So that's what we here for, baby. Might look at some other stuff too while we here. Definitely need another drag setup. All right, y'all, we are leaving Summit, man. Let's get this car back to the house so I can install this new boost controller. Finally came down here and got one after all this time. Let's get back to the house. Whew, damn, all right, 302 gang, after going to Summit, doing all of that, being stuck in traffic, all that, it was annoying. That's why I ain't really record that much. But yeah, we went down to Summit. As you can see right here, we paid, dang, it was blurry. $387 for it. With taxes, came up to $417. But yeah, we got us another boost controller, baby, finally up in here. And I ain't even tested it to see if it worked yet. Where my keys at? Let's test it, make sure it comes on. Moment of truth. I hooked it back up. Damn, man. Oh, I got the steering wheel locked. Let's make sure it come on, let's see. Got the wrong key, man. See what it does. Finally, we back in business, baby. All right, let's see, make sure the suction works. I got me calibrated. Let me calibrate it for y'all boys for a second. But as you can see, at least we got some type of suction going on. So let me calibrate it real quick. All right, cool, ladies and gentlemen. After a few, I was a little confused at first, but as you can see, we got it now, man. Everything is set. Everything is back ready. All right, we're ready to make boost now. Finally. I know it's been a long time since I had a boost controller up in here, but I finally went to Summit, finally did it. We're ready to make boost now, as you can see. Oh man, finally. There's so much work to do with this car, man. I just don't know. But as you can see, look at it, it's still clean, man. Still clean. Got a little couple things, had some issues. Got a crack in the windshield, as y'all can see. Bad. The inside look real bad. I don't even want to show it. But yeah, still here, man. Still here. Car is still here. Just to let y'all know. I know I'm contemplating on what I want to do. I don't know if I want to sell it or not. I'm thinking about selling it. I don't know. Like, I want to keep it and I want to sell it at the same time. I kind of want something newer. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments on what I should do. But yeah, man, look at my baby. Still around, man. I got to get another drag set up for it, get these tires off of there, because I ain't going to lie, I actually hate this look. Like, this look looks disgusting to me. Like, like it's crazy. Like, it's not bad. GT350 rims ain't bad, but I don't like it, man. I don't like it. So, we're going to get a drag pack, like, soon, very soon. Dang, why so... Hold on. My bad if it was super bright. It looked like we was in heaven or something for a minute. I don't know what was wrong with it, but yeah, you could, dang, it look kind of dark now, and I gotta turn the exposure up a little bit. You know, I ain't made a video in a long time. I forgot the camera settings. But yeah, Thrill 2 Gang, might be working on a new intro and stuff like that, but yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, message your boy. Might be dropping 2 videos today, I don't know yet, y'all stay tuned. But as you can see, the boss is still here. Engine's still running fine. It's not, it hasn't blown up or anything. Still good to go. And if you want to buy the car, hit me up, because the car is not for sale yet, but I am taking offers right now. So let me know what your offer is. How much you think it's worth? Y'all been here this whole time. Y'all seen the whole channel. Let me know.